I think you picked on one of the very key points there, and it's come up time and time again during the presentations around how safe and secure and can it be used. But I think there's also, as was pointed out by Shiv earlier, people being aware of how open banking actually affects them and what it actually is. And more, banks are going to hop onto the bandwagon. Is that a challenge? Actually, getting information out to people generally who are being impacted by this. Because most people, like you pointed out, it's about convenience. I get onto my banking app and I look at all the different things that I can do on it. Like for example, one of the banks here says, we also are partnered with this organization and that organization, and they can offer you this and they can offer you that, and you download the apps, or you basically upload it into your banking app. And no one really thinks about what that actually means in terms of the information that's held behind and the information that's transmitted. It is sort of educating people one of the challenges.
So Nalin, I want to
Ritesh?
make a quick. Okay, sorry, please.
Sorry, Shiv, go on, go on.
I just want to make a quick comment on that, because I think what I'm realizing is, like, obviously with respect to the awareness, there's a huge challenge, because in my head, even this seems like a very technical thing, right? In the sense, like, we are talking about open banking, there would be open APIs, and then they would be interacting, they would be talking to each other, so there would be like a infrastructure sharing, so, and data sharing and transaction sharing, right? But the key question is, like, how is it impacting the end user, right? Do I download just one wallet which can talk to 20 different banks, or basically or do I do something different, right? How is my life impacted at the end of the day? I think that is one of the very important questions, and I think if we can answer that question in this discussion, that would be amazing.
See,
So
there right now we have one facility that with one bank app, you can like connect all your other bank accounts to that app, so you can see all the different balances in different banks. Okay, now the transaction, of course, is not happening; it is restricted. But balance viewing you can do. So we have reached that stage. So next stage will be the transaction only, and that is dependent on how fast we are able to uh, conceive this idea that yes, that will be real help to customers, and we adopt it and we start sharing the data. All the banks have to open themselves.